In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can import a CSV file in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the top right to access your profile, and then from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. On the next window, scroll down until you see Imports and Exports under Integrations and ClickUps. Then, we're going to click on Import Items, and under Import from Local Files, we're going to click on Spreadsheet. Now, we will choose first where to import our tasks, then the format for our dates, and the delimiter for multi-value fields. After choosing those, click on Continue. Now, give ClickUp a few minutes to set it up. Next, once you see this, click on Upload File, and then we're gonna go and click on our CSV file. I have this CSV file, for example. Open, wait for it to finish extraction, and then completely set it up. Continue, map fields, wait for it to run on this resource, and that's it. Once you're done, simply click on Import into ClickUp. Wait for it to finish right here. So once this is completed, it means your spreadsheet or CSV file is ready for use. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.